Good day, crafty chums, it's Nikki here and welcome to the 30-day Inchies challenge, and this is day number 29 into a book. Now, never made a miniature book before, but I'm thinking that I'm going to cut this into 1 inch. 1 inch. Oh no, hang on. I'm going to cut this into 2 inches. 2 inches, okay? 2. I'm going to do it into 2 because then when I cut it, it'll be, when I fold it, it will be 1. Just using the this paper. Oh dear, this is just a, you know, a normal piece of what's it paper. So I am just going to fold this in half. How many inches is this? I've just got to check how many inches this is actually. Just might have to cut some off if I fold this in half properly. Because of course they're inches, so I want it to be inchy size. So I need to cut this at 11, so I need to cut off that much, don't I? Let's just see. Just check that it's 11 now. Yeah, then I will fold these in half and cut them at 11 too. I'll be back when I've done that. So I've got these now and I'm just going to cut them off at 11. And then I'm going to fold them into 1 inch folds. So I'll actually use the scoreboard for this to start me off. I think it will just be a little bit easier. And then I'll make sure I get 1 inch folds then, won't I? Eight, oops, 9, 10. And I'm just going to fold these. And I'm going to do that for all these papers as well. Just going to fold them up into 1 inch squares, because this is going to form the basis of my book. I hope. I'll be back when I've done that. I've decided that maybe that this is thick enough, so I'm just going to carry on with 2 lengths of this paper. So I'm just going to glue 2 of these together, two of the inch squares together to make the book longer. Sorry about that, I've got messages coming through. Hang on. I know I can't hang on, it's on my main computer, so that doesn't work, does it? Anywho, just going to put these together. If I feel that I need to add the other length, then I'm going to pop ahead and do that, but I'll just glue that together and then finish accordion folding this book paper. So what I'm going to do now is glue along the back of these papers to hold them together, and what that will do is leave these free to be able to move, but it will hold these together, if you understand what I mean. I'm just going to show you now. I'm going to use some glue stick and put some paper under there. Yeah, put some paper under there so I don't glue the tabletop all together. And so I'm just going to glue along and then fold them together to hold it together here at the back. I'm only gluing one side of the page and the other will come free like that and be able to run. If you're thinking that I'm just gluing it all shut together, I'm not. Then we will just go to the end. So as I mentioned it like a lot of times before, I'm not a fan of the glue stick, but I haven't managed to get out to buy any other glue yet, so I want to buy some Mod Podge, but I'll do that another day. And also it makes an awful mess. Let's just see if I can rub that off. Dirty hands, you see. And so there you go. You get the beginnings of. You can really see your book starting to take shape now. Yes. Might be a little bit crooked, but hey ho. I am tired. And on to the cover. I might be using actually to use some book paper. What do you think? Should we use book paper to bind the book? So 4. By 4. I'm not sure this is the right size, but we'll give it a go. Okay. Might be a little bit too wide, yeah, 1 1/4, so it's probably 1 1/8, so it needs to be a little bit smaller. Might have to just trim it off, I think. Well, I can actually just go like this, can't I? Just make it smaller. As I say, I'm just playing with this. This I want to make smaller. So to about there. 1 and yeah, that'll probably be perfect. Just going to trim the end off there as well. I could do the same before, but that would just make it a little bit harder, so I'll just do it like that. Just going to fold this over like so. And I'm going to leave a bit that will fold as the spine, like so. I am making this up as I go along, folks, I am. So like that. Because I don't have a clue really when it comes to miniatures. I don't really know how it goes or how they're made. I'm just making it up as I go along. Okay, so yeah, what I'm going to do is I am going to put a little bit of glue on here and pop this in to this one here. Because it's going to go like that. Then this one will pop into the back here. It's made like a little pouch thing. Okay, and we're going to pop that into the pouch there. Going to pop some glue on as well. I think because I didn't quite have it square, as you can see, it's just got the little bit of binding there, which is cute, cute. And I am going to here on the spine here. So we've got to choose which inches are going to go on this one, aren't we? I think I'd like the black inchy to go on there. What I'll do is ink around the edges. Put a black here and a black here, ink around the edges. And then I'm going to look for a bit of black tape as well. Pop those up there. Just want to ink around the edges because I'm putting black on there. It's going to close like that. Marvellous. We're going to put some glue on here. Like this. Then we're going to put some glue on here. I could have put a closure on here as well, but I didn't think about it until just that second, so never mind. It's going to be like a little book. It's not the squarest book I've ever made, but I think it'll be okay just as a little, next one will be better. Hang on a sec, let me look for some tape. So I was just looking for some tape, and I came up with this one here, which will make a nice little binding on as well. I was looking for my duct tape, but I can't find it, so I won't put it on. So we'll just straighten this up. Hope it works. Make this a fraction smaller, shall we? A little bit smaller. Could also do this with a little bit of fraction too long. And that'll be too short. You know how it goes. Trim it off, and then you trim it off, and then bam, it's too short. What was I saying? I can't remember now. I'm sure this is a tape. Yeah, I was looking for my duct tape, but I couldn't find it, so never mind. Just try and get this as straight as we can, hey? And that's my little book. It's a little bit lopsided, but as I say, I've never made one before, and could be quite cute, couldn't it? There we go. This is a Inchie book, and inside it's just like book pages. I could turn it into something else, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it for that, because let's just keep it simple, as they say. Keep it simple, stupid. We'll kiss the Inchie book. There we go. Hope you enjoyed today's make. All information you need will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check out Eileen McInnes's channel and International Crafters on YouTube's channel, where Eileen and myself do a live stream once every week, unless I'm called into work, and then we leave it for that week. Unless, of course, we get requested, but we don't get requests, so we just leave it as it is. See you again soon. Bye.